one.
Hey, this is Brent with Fathom Realty. I'm the new district director of Cleveland, Ohio, but it really doesn't matter where you live because the commissions they save you is great. They're in between a 100% company and a 30, 40, 50% company. Now you can spend all your money on commissions or you can get all the less marketing you want with the 100% company, but with Fathom you get everything. I mean, you get all, you've got KV Core, you have CRMs, you have websites, you have huge agent services, many different classes, training, and it's all included when you join the brokerage at Fathom Realty. Now for me, I saved $22,000 this year in commissions from my previous brokerage. That's a lot of money. And if you notice, I'm in Laguna Beach, California, at a nice place, and if you look out here, you can see what I do with the money I save on commissions. I go have a good time. So if you're really looking for a different way of life, and you're really looking to put the focus on your business, not your brokerage's business, Fathom is realtor driven. It wants you to be successful. Call me no matter where you're at. Give me a call, 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740. I'm Brent with Fathom Realty. Enjoy your life. Thanks.